Hi, it's Nora here. I received my first Hobonichi order the other day. I placed the order from Yoseka Stationery. Let's do an unboxing together. This is the first time I use Hobonichi wigs, and I love this bow and tie sushi design with these cute little sushi icons. I'm thinking about using it for meal plan and tracking household expenses. I also bought the Aletone cover, thinking that I can use the outside pockets to keep all the receipts when I do grocery shopping or go out to grab a cup of coffee. I still need to think about the layout and how to use these wigs makeup. Do you use Hobonichi wigs?